let's learn classroom English sentences. Hello, class. Let's begin.
Yes!
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
What a wonderful morning.
Yes, it is.
Sit down, please. Let's start the class. Open your book. Look at the board. Listen carefully. Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Good job.
Good job.
Stand up. Sit properly. Who can tell me the answer?
Raise your hand.
Wonderful! I see 2 hands. Answer the question.
The answer is photosynthesis.
Read aloud.
The cat sat on the mat. The dog ran in the sun.
Close your book.